Good afternoon, guys. So we're taking a walk through Paris Street. I think it's called Pariska Street. And the first stop is Louis Vuitton. Not planning to do that much shopping here, but you guys said I need to check out this street. All the luxury stores are here. So let's go check out LV. So this is a new bag. This is called the Monsieur bag. Block coloring. So you can also hold it like this. And it also comes in black, which I'll show you as well. So this is the black colorway. Look at the red, the blue, and the yellow luggage tag. I actually really like it like that. So that is what it looks like on me. This is the new twist bag as well. Look at it. It's very different with the weave, the matte gold and shiny gold. Obviously you can use it, you know, you've got a longer chain as well. This is just with the top handle. Look at this jacket, this puffy leather jacket. This is the men's department. Ooh, I like this. Okay, I'll try video as much as I can. It's quite quiet up here. It's quite big, actually. This is fun. Look at this color. Black and hot pink or purpley pink. Oh, they've got jeans in that color too. Maybe not so much the jeans, but the jumper's cool. Yeah, I really like the men's area. And then these are men's shoes. Let's take a look. Where are the ladies? Ladies must be upstairs. Just show all my guy viewers. And for the girls as well, if you want to buy presents, of course. Sneakers. More sneakers. And these are just more the loafers, and more loafers here. Cool, I got to have a look at all the men's floor, which is nice. I quite like those velvet ones. Yeah, and these are just more the traditional loafers. And the belts. Now I'm pretty sure, ooh, they've even got some, you know, brandy or sherry or whatever it may be. And then I'm guessing if I go up there, it will take me to ladies. And yes, upstairs is women's wear. Ooh, look at all these beautiful shoes. Let's take a look. Oh, it's nice and quiet up here. Look at these. Look at this fur. Boots. I feel like I want another pair of LV shoes, but not sure. I like the heel detail on this. Sorry about the light, guys. These are just classics. What a really nice boutique. I'll just give you guys a tour since there's no one here. Downstairs, it's really funny. Downstairs is packed and upstairs is so quiet. The jacket. Oh, look at this. Look at this dress. Okay, give you an idea of price. So this is 115,000 Czech crowns. I like the shirt. is, I can't take it off because it's attached on, but I'm loving this green color. Okay, the lighting may not be great, but look at these shoes. I've never seen these before. The inside's all lined with, you know, shearling, I assume. Definitely a lot more fur here. Called the My Lock Me BB. I've considered this bag. It's got a lot of space. Look at that. 2 compartments. My Lock Me BB. Sorry guys, I don't think I know the prices here. But that's cute, and that's the bigger version there. And also, this is a new bag I haven't seen before. Let me show you. It's got a back pocket. And it's really roomy on the inside as well, and this is called the Ball Marche, I think, and it's 41,000 Czech crowns. So you guys know that hubby just bought me the PM. Apologies for how loud it is. So many people here. Look at this box of exotics. Look at these colors. Just beautiful. And underneath there's more as well. It's cute.
And we have now a lot of textile as well, with the logos,
Yes.
you know, and the scarves and the
So
dresses.
cute.
Yes.
This is the small and that's the large. So this is the bigger baguette, and it's not stuffed, but it just sort of molds to the body. I actually think I really like the big one. And then obviously you can detach the shoulder strap and you can just wear it as a clutch like that, which is really chic. Yeah, I like this. This is with the pecan stripe, which is, you know, a design they've had since the 70s. Fendi Essential. Of course, the Fendi Can I, and this is the new Fendi Can You, which is the same construction as the Can I. You guys knew I had the Can I, just with a new plaque. New Peekaboo with this detailing. It's the regular size Peekaboo. Look at this cute mini in the suede. I love this bright, vibrant purple. It's so cute. And these are the latest shoes, which are the boots. They're not in leather, they're in a different material. She was saying a more sort of stretchy material. They're cool. The sneakers, I like that they've just got just one strip of color at the back, and I like the heel. This stacked heel is nice. Look at this one with the fabric, and of course the knee-high boots as well. Very, very cool. I always like this shawl as well. I would probably belt it up, but this one's always good. I look a bit bulky now, but I quite like this as well. I really do like this big baguette and shearling. but I'm gonna have a think because, yeah, I wasn't expecting to like this one so much. Did pick up something small though, which of course I'll reveal, but this one, it is still quite expensive, and I don't know, but I really do like it. So we have just come out of Fendi. Wow, if only all customer service could be like that manager. She was amazing. So yes, I did pick up something little, and we're just gonna head back to the hotel now. And then tonight's plans are we're probably gonna go check out a beer garden and have some Czech food. We've had so many recommendations. So I will vlog that once we head out to dinner. So catch you in a bit. Market on. I'm just gonna go check it out. You guys know I love my markets, so let's just go take a look. It's artwork, some bags. I'm thinking this is handmade jewelry. Hello. Hey guys, so as recommended by one of you, we are in FLEKU having some more traditional Czech food, and we've got the pork knuckle, we're trying the beer cheese and apple strudel. So we've got a bit of a rowdy crowd next to us, but it's kind of fun. It adds to the atmosphere. This is sort of like a medieval themed sort of pub, and yeah, we're just really happy to be here. It's a beautiful night underneath the trees, so let's give this a go. Okay, I'm going to try the pork knuckle first. Okay, you got to feed hubby now. Some for hubby with some of the. Ready? What do you think, Hubs? Okay, so Hubs and I are going to try one of their shots. This is the herb one, and this is the honey one. Apparently this is stronger, and this is soft. In the waiter's exact words, hard, soft. So we're going to try. Which one do you want, hard or soft? You want the hard? We'll have half-half. Okay, let's try the softer one. Oh yeah. I'm not sure about honey, but you definitely can taste the sweetness to it. Ooh, that's stronger. That one is definitely stronger. Good morning, guys. So today is our last day in Prague, and after some yummy brunch, we are headed off to the post office as I am posting some of my designer boxes back. That's how I get a lot of my boxes back intact. And then we are going to be heading off for some sightseeing. So today we are exploring the PETRIN hill area, and behind me, as you can see, that's PETRIN Tower. There's some cable cars, so we're just going to have a little wander and I'll take you guys along. So here we go, this is the tower. We're not going to go up because I feel like this is just like almost like a small little Eiffel Tower, and these type of things I think are better admired from afar, though I'm sure the view up there would be lovely. Hey guys, so we just came out of Hermes, Prague. Very unexpected. So I am on Periska Street, just in front of Cartier now. Let me just stand here. Okay, that was so unexpected. We dropped into Hermes. Hubby wanted to try on a pair of shoes that we saw the other day. It's almost closing time. I was downstairs checking something out. Hubby said, oh, I just asked the girl if they, had any bags in stock. She said, I just wanted to pause here and make a point that this sales associate was a completely different girl to the first day where we went to Hermes in my first vlog when I said I had a pretty rude sales associate. This girl was completely different and so lovely. Let me check. Before I knew it, we were downstairs checking out a couple of bags that she had in stock. Totally not on my wish list. I'm going to be really honest, guys. Not on my wish list. One color was on my wish list, but honestly, yeah. And I was going to actually even say to her, no, don't worry about it, because I just didn't think I would like them. Anyway, cut the long story short, I tried one of them, fell in love, surprisingly. I think you guys are going to be a bit shocked at what I picked, but I can't wait to tell you. So yes, there is a bag. Let me show you. It's a white bag, but it is a bigger bag at the moment, as you can see. But because we're walking back to the hotel, we want to have it in a white bag within an orange bag, which you can request. So I'm going to make a video and tell you what I scored in Hermes Prague. No history in Prague as well. She didn't even check me. She didn't do anything. And I got offered a bag. Very surprising. And, well, actually not I got offered. I would say hubby asked, and she knew we were together. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm just a bit shocked that it happened. Anyway, we're walking back to the hotel. I will catch you guys soon. So guys, I'm just going to end the vlog for Prague here. We're at the airport and we're just going to spend the last couple of days in Paris. So hubby and I loved Prague so much. It is such a pretty city, such a walking city, and we just loved it. The food, the sights, everything. Yeah, definitely a place we would love to come back. So I hope you enjoyed coming shopping with me, seeing all the sights, tasting all the food, and I will catch you guys in my next vlog. Bye!